So in today's varied content environment with all the legacy content that's sitting in archives and with all the new stuff coming out, how's MainConcept helped? Well, really, MainConcept gives us that quality codec that we know that we can control, that we know that we can develop a valuable product that the customers need in their workflows today. One thing that we've established in the Amberfin brand is that we are a quality transcoder. If somebody wants their output content to look really, really good, they know they come to us. And we went to the people that we trusted, that we could control to create that valuable, high quality output. And that was MainConcept. We did a nice beauty parade for every single codec that we've ever installed, and regularly and reliably MainConcept's come out in front, and that's why we've continued to choose MainConcept. The value that MainConcept has brought to the table is really the all-consuming ability to take the content that we are given either in the MAM side or on the transcode side, which could come from anywhere. It could come from a mobile phone, could come from an archive, could be a current piece of content, and have the MainConcept decoders just work. That reliability counts for a lot, because the ability for a decoder to be able to take content in with low effort means that actually we get fewer support calls, and the value is in the reliability and trustworthiness of those decoders. And then on the encoder side, the value is really all about how do we produce a quality, low bitrate output that our customers are going to trust. Because at the end of the day, if the pictures we produce look rubbish, no one's going to buy our products. And so we've managed to establish a great relationship with MainConcept where they're able to decode reliably even the rubbish that we get from some of the sort of user-generated content. They can still decode it, and we can turn that into beautiful pictures that our end customers want to work, all thanks to MainConcept. The MainConcept promise about how MainConcept really supports us and fixes the support issues we have and makes certain that before new technologies are released, we get to see it. We find that a really important part of our partnership with MainConcept. For Dalet and for Amberfin, because really we have this, although they're two different brands within the same Dalet company, we have the same relationship with MainConcept, which is we get good visibility about what's coming up next. So when HEVC was announced, for example, the new technology from MainConcept, we got good visibility from that. But we also know that media, it's a quirky subject. We know that we will get stuff in from our customers that will cause problems inside the codec. Codecs are complicated things, and when we find those problems, we need a company that's going to react, that's going to listen to us, and is going to actually do something on the inside of their codec to fix those problems. And we've had great service from MainConcept on that front. Every time we've had an issue, every time we've not quite achieved the quality that we wanted, we've always had somebody come talk to us, fix the problem, and we've then been able to hit those good quality thresholds that our company so desperately needs. MainConcept's continuing support for the camera manufacturing formats that come out is absolutely vital for us. In the Dalet MAM platform, we're working right up at the sharp end of content production, and we rely on being able to read and generate the camera formats that our customers use. And without MainConcept support for those, we'd have to go and work individually with each individual camera manufacturer, and that's tough. So MainConcept's ability to give us a one-stop shop for all of the different camera formats, the new ones announced here at the show, as well as stuff that was announced last year, and as well as continuing support for things like DVC Pro, which were all the rage back in sort of the late 90s. The fact that we can still get that from MainConcept is so important, because that gives us continuity of business, and that continuity of business we can then pass on to our customers, who are still able to look at their archives, as well as the latest sexy thing from Panasonic this year. As the chair of the SMPTE MXF file format group, I welcome IP transport. If I look at the way the world actually uses media, in many environments there's very little difference between the fast movement of an MXF file from A to B and the live stream of content from A to B. There is this kind of duality between file-based workflows and live streaming workflows. I see that actually there is a great synergy between IP streaming and having great codecs that work on those IP streams, and having fast file movements and fast file activities where actually you've got a kind of offline but equally fast and precious kind of workflow. I see no threat whatsoever from IP. What I see is great opportunities for our customers to invent workflows I'd never even thought of. It's a trust thing when you introduce new technology. No one's going to introduce new technologies into workflows that they don't trust. Our customers trust us to do the right thing with high dynamic range, wide color gamut, ultra high definition, and we trust MainConcept to deliver those encoders and decoders to us. The fact that we have that good and trusting relationship means that we know we can deliver quickly and on time as soon as our customers ask us for something. And that's really where the trust comes in, and we trust MainConcept.